this is the Skin 1004 Probio-Cica Essence Toner. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. So, Skin 1004, it's an interesting name. The 1004 actually means angel, so the brand name is kind of Skin Angel. Interesting. I didn't come up with that. My friend told me that, so. Anyway, so they have a whole lineup now of this lineup, which is Centella and then some probiotics. The moisturizer is really wonderful. It's super, super thick, and I'm just about to start playing with the essence as well, but check out if you have super dry skin, that is just so thick. It's lovely. So I'm kind of slowly getting into it, playing around with it, and then the ampule as well. So nice lineup. I think they might have a couple more things in this lineup as well, but this is what I picked up. I think I picked up as a set, maybe. Okay, so they say this toner features patented and vegan ingredient Probio-Cica made of fermented Centella Asiatica, which is used in exclusively, mostly by Skin 1004. I think there's one other brand, Oracle maybe, that uses it in a few products. I could be wrong, but anyway. Calms redness and irritated skin. It also fortifies the skin barrier for smooth and supple skin. Trehalose, Panthenol, Ceramide NP, and sodium hyaluronate in the mix provides additional moisturizing effects for healthy skin, free of artificial fragrance and color, suitable for various skin types, including sensitive skin. So, okay, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. Comes in a plastic bottle. Nice opening that dispenses like the proper amount. You know, some holes are really, really tiny and you don't get any out, like some Drunk Elephant products, and then sometimes you open it up and you just dump the whole bottle out with one fell swoop on accident. That happened to me, sadly. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. We get to fragrance. It doesn't have a scent and contains an ingredient called raspberry ketones, which is typically used for fragrance, but raspberry ketones can also be beneficial for skin, and there's some research actually showing that raspberry ketone has some benefits for skin elasticity as well as hair regrowth. But raspberry ketone is an aromatic compound contained in red raspberries that has a structure similar to that of capsaicin. I'm starting to notice in a lot more products. I'm not exactly sure if it's great for skin, bad for skin, good and bad for skin. There's a lot of ingredients that are both at the same time, like tea tree oil. It can be really good for acne-prone skin, but some people can be irritated by the scent it gives. So anyway, make up your own mind on it. Do some digging. I will try to remember to link to some of the studies on it. I'm just noticing a lot of stuff lately. So, and it's artificial because actual raspberry ketones apparently, like by the droplet, are like hundreds of dollars. So, manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. I will do a quick pH test. I try and always remember to do that with toners, because some people are interested in that. So the pH of this one looks to be, I would say, just under 5. Oh, I'm blocking it. There we go. Just under 5, I would say. So 4.5-ish. So in terms of ease of use, so you can apply this patting it onto skin. You can apply it with a cotton pad. It's got a nice liquidy texture that's a little bit thicker, but still not too thick where you can't apply it with a cotton pad. Certain essences can be super thick and you apply it with a cotton pad. It doesn't soak in the cotton pad and then it just becomes kind of a mess. So it's got a really nice texture to it. I apply this with a cotton pad. You can apply it after cleansing your skin and then apply this, pat it on, apply it with the cotton pad, and then go on with your routine with your serums and moisturizers. Feels really nice. You can use it morning and evening. I prefer using it in both. I really like using it morning and evening. It feels really nice on the skin, and it absorbs pretty quickly. And it's not as watery as other toners, which I like, but it's not too thick. So once it soaks in, it sets to a natural finish. That's just a little bit tacky, but not noticeably so. But you're going to go on with other products after this anyway. So it feels really nice on skin. Very nice, very easy to use, and it feels really lovely. Okay, in terms of the ingredients, I will talk about that in 1 second. in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so that's awesome. I was going to say that's optional. It's awesome. Optional. Awesome. In terms of performance, I find this a bit more hydrated than their regular Centella toner. I think it's just called their Madagascar Centella Toning Toner. It's very similar to that, but it's a little bit more hydrating, probably from the inclusion of macadamia nut oil near the end of it. I would say it's geared towards drier skin types, but it's pretty friendly for most skin types, including acne-prone skin. For acne-prone skin, we've got 2 ingredients of no lauric acid, which actually is, it's a little bit comedogenic, but it's also kind of an acne-fighting ingredient too. So it might be worth a try, might be worth avoiding. I guess it depends if you have experience with that ingredient. And then macadamia nut oil is not terribly comedogenic, but it is worth noting. I really enjoy using this in my routine, and it fits in easily without any issues. And there we go. It's soaked in really nicely, but is a little sticky. In terms of the price, so this is a full size, 210 milliliters, 7.1 ounces. It retails for about $27. That's a little bit pricey in my opinion for a toner. $27. Once you add tax in, it's about $30. But check it out, see if you can find it on sale, because I think I got all 3 of these for probably around $30. So $27 too expensive, but I would say $20 is a little bit better. It's always a little bit better because it's cheaper. Okay, in terms of the ingredients, so we've got Centella Asiatica, skin soothing, antioxidant, wound healing. We've got that Lactobacillus, Centella Asiatica Ferment Filtrate, which is a probiotic with skin conditioning properties. It's used almost exclusively by this brand. Then we've got Trehalose, sodium hyaluronic cross-polymer, sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed glycosamine glycans, and hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which are all humectants. We've got Panthenol, provitamin B5, skin soothing, wound healing. We've got licorice, skin soothing, anti-inflammatory, and oil regulating. Hydrogenated lecithin, an emollient. Ceramide NP, skin identical ingredient. Then we've got madecassic acid, asiaticoside, and asiatic acid, which are all biological compounds from Centella Asiatica that have strong antioxidant, wound healing, skin soothing, and moisturizing properties for the skin. We've got that lauric acid, anti-acne ingredient that's been shown to help fight bacteria off, but it's also a little bit comedogenic, so might be a double-edged sword there. And then we've got macadamia nut oil, which is a nut oil loaded with emollient and nourishing fatty acids, high in oleic acid and linoleic acid. It makes a very good emollient, which is great for dry skin types. So nice list of skin-soothing antioxidants and humectants, which are really, really nice ingredient list overall. In terms of the it factor for this one, I really love the moisturizer from this line. It's so thick. I can say I'll probably be using it this winter a lot. The toner is nice. It's not a must-have. I enjoy using it. I will certainly finish it. Is it something I feel I need to repurchase at this point? Not really. It's very nice. It's versatile, but I don't think it's something I have to have. There's a lot of toners that I've tested out that I end up loving and have to have. This isn't one of them, but it's still a really nice product. It might be worth a good try, especially for super dry skin types. And it's pretty versatile, and it's got some nice calming ingredients. So, not a must-have, but nice. Probably not a repurchase, but I certainly will finish it up. But I think the cream from this line might be where it's at. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7. Very nice product overall. Worth a try for a lot of you. And interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. If you have what your thoughts are, or if you've tried anything else out from this brand. What have you tried and how have you liked it? Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.